Okay, so hello everyone, it's me, the ASNT7.1. It is the tutorial how to make PlayStation 3 games. We are gonna use the Game Maker 1.4. Any version of 1.4 will be okay, but not the Game Maker 2 or later. So let's get started. I'm gonna use the Game Maker Studio 1.4.9999. So just to make a new project, I'm just gonna make it the test project for video. There. Now if you don't know the Game Maker, how to make some stuff, you can always press F1 and just explore the manual. You will be also needing the gamepad input because PlayStation 3 uses DualShock 3, so here is the constants of the buttons on the gamepad. Yep. So just make any game, like any game. So for test output, I'm just gonna make it show the message, like if you see this, the exporter worked correctly. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. And we create a new room, any size, but I'm gonna use 640 and 360. Yeah, I'm also gonna use the views because I can port the screen. So it will be very much easier for me. You can make a background color any stuff you like. I'm just gonna go with the green one because this is a test project for video. Yep. So to run any game for testing, you need at least one room. Yes. If you see this, the exporter worked correctly. Yes. But now let's make a PlayStation 3 executable package file. So we can close the Game Maker if you save the project. If you are, yeah. So you're gonna download the Game Maker PS3. It will be linked in the description below. So yeah, how to use this program. So select any project file from from any stuff you like. I'm just gonna use this. You can download any version of Game Maker here with just select the GM version to manager, and you can see what games, what versions of Game Maker are supported right now. These are the versions that support the PlayStation 3 exporting. Yep. We already have 1.4.9999 that I'm using, so it's okay. So we can adjust the global settings, like interpolate colors between pixels, texture, page size, and scaling options. There we can select the our icon 0.png. I'm just gonna show you how that's gonna work. So I'm gonna use any icon that I have from the icons section, like ACPS2 chat. Why not? For pick1.png you can use any image with this resolution. For icon 0 you need this resolution, and it always needs to be PNG. Yeah. So just select any stuff you have. Never mind, I'm just gonna use a screenshot because screenshots are with this resolution, they are work. So there you can set the content ID, but you need to match this structure. So we just gonna make the TES T00000, and for this you can do any stuff you like this is for video IG. Yeah, there is a limit, always limit. And for title you can always name anything you like. Test 5, why not? Make package, save package file anywhere you like. The game is done, but it's only available for custom servers. If you want to make it available on homebrew enablers like hen, you're gonna need to extract the package files, but first you're gonna need to install the PlayStation 3 tools by all the tools. Extract. Then we can delete the original package file. We do this. If you want, you can remove the picture one if needed. Yeah, if you want to remove, So we're gonna open the usr-dir folder, and we can find the eboot.bin. It is the main executable of the PlayStation 3 games. So I recommend you to install the pspx.ru version of the PlayStation 3 tools, because it has something that the original version doesn't have. e.reencrypt. There you can re-encrypt the eboot self for hand usage. So you just put this as title ID, which is test0, and you put the eboot.bin file here, and this, as we can see, it does this. So we're gonna now go to done folder, and there we can copy the eboot.bin file. Yes, replace. So now we are ready to test it on the original hardware. So make package. There we go. We can remove the folder now. So yeah, I'm gonna be back with the PlayStation 3. So how to move the game to the PlayStation 3? You're going to need a USB flash drive, or use the FTP services. I'm gonna use FTP services because it's so much easier for me. So yeah. Okay, I just copied the file. So we now go to the package manager, install package files, PlayStation 3 system storage, and we have this. This is what we made for a video. And as we can see, this is a logo that it was corrupted somehow. So yeah, we can kinda see our selected icon 0 and pick 1. So let's start it and let's see if it works. There, if you see this, the exporter worked correctly. There. The game worked. The game exporter works. Now you made a PlayStation 3 package that can be used anywhere. So yeah, I am hoping to see some good games that you are making onto the PlayStation 3 systems. I would love to see how this will be going. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. As a bonus, I can show you my newest creation, 599 Funkin' PlayStation 3 port. It is perfectly working. Yeah. So it works like this. Press start to load the tutorial song. It is loading all of the charts, and yeah, we now see this works.
Left,
we can
right,
actually play this shit.
left, right. That's how you do
Yeah,
it.
I was just testing
Down,
to make sure you're understanding it correctly.
That's how you do it. Left, up,
Yeah, this is how it goes.
right.
I'm actually impressed that the places we can do this.
Down, right.
So yeah, this is the unmodified original chart, just in JSON file. Yeah, this is unmodified in any way. Yeah, the original files always work. The game is going to be open sourced, of course. It's just going to support the first version of the JSON charts. So yeah, you can delete this one if you don't need. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like this video, and yeah, go crazy. Bye.